Naga Taruk Thiva Khangdana Leirakliba Siga Mari Lainana High Court of Manipur na Naga Lawyers Association gi President Mark Kapaina Tharakiba Public Interest Litigation Ama High Court na Khanakibaga Loinana Lakliba Tang Nipan Ningthau Numita Case Asig Action Taken Report Kaukre. Hiramasiga Mari Lainana Petitioner gi Counsel de Julius Riamaina Fongdorapada Thaudogasi matang the National Investigation Agency NIA the case sinanaba gi matang the state laingak na NIA the wafam amata hairamdre. PILC ngasi famkiba Chief Justice M Sundar amasung Justice A Bimol gi bench na lokhatuna khanake loinana Manipur laingaki mari lainaba authority sing the action taken report piraknaba khanganke. Amarom the action taken report piraklaba matung PILC gi makha taba khanagani hairi.
What have they taken? What action have they taken? What are the measures that have been taken till date? They have to file it on Monday. This action taken report has to be filed by the Chief Secretary of the Government of Manipur. It was stated in a press release issued by the Government of Manipur that this case the investigation of this case had been handed over to NIA. Today, NIA is also a party here in the BIL. It was categorically stated by the Deputy Solicitor General of India that NIA is yet to receive intimation from the state government till today. So that statement also has been recorded by the Honorable Court, and we will see what happens on Monday, what action they have taken, and we will see in black and white through the reports filed before the Honorable High Court of Manipur.